These rust cleaning videos are exploding across social media right now, on TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Look at this Instagram page. This page has built over 45,000 followers by posting this exact type of content. And some of their videos have already reached 61 million, 11.9 million, and 11.8 million views. Now let's create these videos with AI in less than 5 minutes. In this video, I'll show you the free method you can use to make these videos yourself. First, search on Google Explore GPTs Open. First website and search for rust removal. Open the first GPT and click Start. You'll see several customization options, including environment, visual style, lighting setup, and spray color. If you want a faster workflow, simply type Quick Start. The GPT will instantly generate several ready-to-use concepts for you. Pick your favorite option and send it. You'll receive a detailed image prompt, a matching video prompt, and extra prompt ideas for additional objects. Now head over to Google Flow, select Image Generation, and make sure your preferred settings are enabled. Copy the image prompt from ChatGPT and paste the prompt here, hit, and generate the images. Within seconds, you'll have multiple results to choose from. Then copy the video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into the video settings. Adjust any settings you want and select the image you like best. Then generate the video. Here it is, our final video result. Let's make another one quickly by using the same method. Please make sure to subscribe our channel and give thumbs up. Just like that, your satisfying rust removal video is ready to share on social media. Here's another example I made using the same method. If you found this tutorial useful, follow for more AI creation tips.